Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer TRX from Exmo to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're holding Tron cryptocurrency and want to secure it on a hardware wallet, this guide is perfect for you. TRX is the native token of the Tron blockchain, known for its speed and low fees, and moving it to a Ledger Nano X keeps it safe from online threats. Before we start, make sure you have an Exmo account with TRX in it, your Ledger Nano X device set up and updated to the latest firmware, and the Tron app installed on it. Let's jump right in. First, open your Exmo account on a secure device and log in with your credentials. Double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled to protect your funds. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets section and select TRX. Here, you'll find the withdrawal option. Click on that to proceed. Next, on your Ledger Nano X, connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Go to the Accounts tab, add a Tron account if you haven't already, and make sure the Tron app is running on your device. This will generate your TRX wallet address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back on Exmo, paste the Ledger wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees, which are usually minimal for Tron. Review all the details, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Ledger Live app and check your TRX balance to verify the funds have arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to avoid scams. In 2025, with evolving crypto tech, staying updated is key. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.